Another lonely night of binge-watching streaming services on my driver's laptop. You know what? I think I need a job. Hey, Mr. Guard, please look in the folder cabinets so I can whip out another plan once again as proof that diesels are better than steamies. Right, let's see. Plan R. Recessions. Huh. Never thought I'd stoop this low.
Oh no. What do you want, Denzel?
Afternoon, boss. I have something very important to tell you.
Are you sure, Denzel?
Yes, boss, I've been thinking about you lately.
Wait, you have?
Absolutely, boss. I wanted to know if I can join your team of steam engines.
Well, I thought you'd never ask, Denzel. Perhaps maybe you can go join the team starting on Monday.
Actually, I was looking for work to do, that's all.
But Denzel, I thought that we had something special.
No, wait, don't take it the wrong way, boss. Just bring me over a passenger train or a freight train and we'll just get this over with.
It's too late for that now, Denzel. I just don't see us being related eye to eye.
But boss, I love you and your off-screen figure.
I'm sorry, Denzel, but you must leave. If you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go cry some more.
Drat! Hear me now, boss. One day I'll find a job and I'll prove that diesels are better than steamies. Well, back to more streaming.